أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقه قولي ربنا زدنا علما ربنا زدنا علما ربنا زدنا علما اللهم انفعنا بما علمتنا وعلمنا ما ينفعنا وزدنا علما اللهم لا سهل إلا ما جعلته سهلا وأنت تجعل الحزن إذا شئت سهلا. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu, my dear brothers and sisters in Islam. How are you all? Hope you all are well and good. Hope you all are in good state of health and iman. Ameen. How are you all? Please make use of the chat box to reply to my questions, inshallah. Let it be an interactive session, inshallah. So Alhamdulillah, we are into the day 11th of the video editing course. Alhamdulillah, from past 11 days, we are with you. Alhamdulillah, we are studying video editing with the KineMaster by the izn of Allah. So yes, can I get the replies in the chat box? Alhamdulillah, I'm good. So, okay, let's rectify your intentions and begin this journey or continue this journey of seeking the pleasure of Almighty Allah with learning the skill, learning this talent, learning this ability, so that we can serve the deen of Allah. So that we can use this as a means to please Allah, inshallah, so that we can use this for the deen of Allah and not against the deen of Allah, inshallah ta'ala. So let's make a niyyah to create halal content through this video editing, inshallah ta'ala. So let me just rectify your intentions. Please rectify your intentions and we'll begin with the name of Allah. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim, so that Allah puts barakah in your time, in your effort, skills, inshallah ta'ala. Okay, let's continue this journey. A quick recap on whatever we have studied, inshallah. We have learned to create the projects. We have learned how to assign the aspect ratios. We have learned what to add in the advanced options, what is the photo display mode, and more in that, right? And while creating the project, photo display mode, the advanced settings, and more. Please type in the chat box whatever we have studied in this case where we are going to create the project. Please type in the chat box, dear sisters and brothers here. Yes, we have studied about the timeline, the video window. Where is the timeline? It is at the right bottom, right? Yes, the video window. Where is the video window? Left top. The control bar. This is the control bar. This is the video window. This is the timeline. This is the media circle. This is the play button, play video button. This is an export button. This is the asset marketplace. Hope you all have gone through all of this and hope you all have understood each and every aspect and each and every tool of the KineMaster in past 10 classes, alhamdulillah. So now we are just not dealing with the tools. We are going to learn how to edit the videos in a professional way, inshallah. So today is the beginning of our training sessions, inshallah. We are going to learn each and every thing in the video editing, how we are going to edit the Quran Tilawah videos and more, inshallah. So these were the advanced editing tools that we are going to make use of, inshallah, in all the upcoming classes. So I want you all to have a good hold on all of these, okay? Inshallah, after if you all have good hold on all of these, you will be able to make use of all of these editing options in your video, and you can create eye-catching content, inshallah ta'ala. So these are vignette option, the volume envelope option, all of these options are very important, inshallah. I want you all to learn each and every option, each and every tool, so that we can begin with the training sessions, inshallah. Hope you all have learned it all well in past 10 days. All of the tools of the KineMaster were discussed, alhamdulillah. So I want you all to put in the tools, make best use of all of the tools that were discussed in the today's class and in the upcoming 9 classes, inshallah ta'ala. So the pan and zoom options were important. The audio editing tools, all of the audio editing tools that you do not find elsewhere in any other app are available here, free of cost, that you can use, inshallah. Then there are some audio editing tools: volume envelope, extract audio, reverb options, the ducking option, the loop option. All of these are available here. The duplicate video options, the duplicate audio options, the layer duplication options. There are more layers options like the media, the effect, the stickers, the green screen option is available here. The effect option is available here. The cropping and masking and the feathering option is available in the KineMaster. These are the excellent options that are not available elsewhere. Even if they are available, they charge to use this content. But in KineMaster, they are available for free of cost. If in the pro version of the KineMaster, they actually have a watermark, but the mod version that I have given has no watermark, inshallah. And you can make use of all of these tools with free of cost. Okay, so all of these tools were discussed in previous class, alhamdulillah. So there were till the green screen effect we have discussed. We also have discussed about a thing named as keyframe that is used for the animation thing, right? So in yesterday's class, I had given you all a homework based on the logo, how to keep a logo and an intro video. That was an intro video that I had given. There is something called intro in a YouTube channel or somewhere. If you see the major YouTube channels, they actually have an intro video, and they also have an outro video or extra video. In the intro video, they actually give the logo of their channel, or the logo, the tagline of their channel is discussed in the intro video. And in the extra video, they actually have the subscribe button where you are going to find us in that way. Those are intro and extra video. In yesterday's homework, I gave you an intro video so that you could add the logo. This would be helpful for your if you are going to create something of your own. You can also add you can also search for the intros videos on the YouTube channel with the green screen content, and just remove the green screen from there and put your own logo, and then you can just create an intro video, and that you can keep it as your intro for your channel or for your YouTube videos. For your content, you can use those intros videos. Fine. So that was yesterday's homework, so that it will be helpful for you to make your own intros, inshallah. So hope you found it easy. Most of you have submitted the homework, and most of the students had doubts, and some of the students have not submitted the homework. I want you all to submit each and every homework. There were 8 homeworks from past 10 classes. I want you all to submit 1 to 8 homeworks to me, inshallah. I want you all to submit it because it is important for certification. Fine. All of the homeworks should be submitted, 1 to 8 homeworks. In the next classes, you won't be having the homeworks, but what you will be having is whatever you are going to learn in the live class. I want you all to submit it as a homework in next 10 days, inshallah. So all of the 10 days are very important for the certification, inshallah. So let me begin with the training session, the special training session that we had mentioned in the flyer. It was based on, the first was based on the Quran Tilawah videos. You know, the ilm of Quran is, you know, it is the best of the ilm. It is the best of the ilm in the world. The best of the ilm that is available in this world is, in this universe, it is nothing but ilm of Quran, right? The knowledge of the Quran. So the Quran is the highest form of the highest source of the knowledge, highest source and highest form of knowledge, with which no knowledge can compete, right? So we are going to afzalul ilm, we are going to learn, we are going to edit that, and we are going to put that in a video format. You know, in today's date, each and every form of knowledge is put into the videos now. In today, inshallah, we are going to learn how we are going to do put out the knowledge of the Quran itself into the form of a video format, okay, inshallah, in a halal way, so that we can earn ajr through this, so that we can have rizq halal through this also, inshallah. We can also make editing career through this also, inshallah. And also we can do something, we can keep it as a sadqa jariyah for us, inshallah, so that world will watch what we have created, inshallah ta'ala. So with the spirit of creating a content that will be beneficial for the people as well as us, inshallah, let's begin the special training session with the name of Allah. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Let's start with the Quran, the afzalul ilm, inshallah. Let's start. Okay, I want you all to rectify your intentions. You're not just creating the content, you're just creating some emotion, you're just putting something, the greatest knowledge of this world into a video with the with the utmost heart, put it inside your, put all of the creativity into your videos, dear sisters and brothers here. Put all your creativity in it and create the excellent content, inshallah. Okay, so that the world can watch your content and they also can benefit through it. Through the videos itself, so many hearts have melted up and they have diverted towards the hidayah. Allah had granted them hidayah and have diverted towards the Islam. Your video, your Quranic tilawah video might reach such population or such people who can benefit, and you can earn reward, and they can find benefit from it by the wisdom of Allah, inshallah ta'ala. So I want you all to start this with a niyyah that you will benefit the ummah as well as the humanity, inshallah ta'ala. In current scenario, the knowledge of the Quran should be spread throughout the world, right, my dear sisters and brothers here? Isn't the Quran the afzalul ilm? It is the afzalul ilm, right? You have to spread it to each and every people, inshallah. Yes, indeed, it is an afzalul zikr, afzalul ilm. You have to spread it to each and every one. This can be a means for you to spread it, right? You just put statuses of the music things on your statuses. Isn't the Quran the ilm that you can put on the status and story? And the self-created videos can be put out, right? You can just say this was edited by me, inshallah ta'ala. May Allah help the ummah through us, inshallah. May Allah let us serve the deen through us, inshallah. May Allah choose us to serve his deen, inshallah ta'ala. Ameen. May Allah help us to be ansarullah for his sake. We can be the helpers for the sake of Allah. With this spirit, let's begin this training sessions. The first and foremost, we are going to start with the Quran recitation video, the afzalul ilm, the afzalul zikr, inshallah ta'ala. I want you all to do it with a high spirit, inshallah. Do it with the right intention, and you put out all of your creativity in the videos. You're not just creating the videos, you're just creating some emotions, right? Whenever I used to create the content that was Islamic, I would still feel, I do not know how many of you will benefit. The views, I just see the waves in the YouTube channel. There are 10 million views. We never expect that. Allah has melted so many hearts. When we go through the comment sessions, we feel like, what is this? It was just a 5 minutes work that was done, but so many of them had reverted back to Islam through those videos. You could see the YouTube channels like reminder after reminder. There are some 10 million content that has reached 10 million views. Just you can see the comment channel. They have such a great people who have just reverted back by listening to those stories, those videos, those Quranic ayahs and more. I want you all to do it with a high spirit. Make right intentions. You just have to have right intentions to begin any work, dear sisters and brothers. Innamal amalu binniyat. Your amal are just based on your intentions, right? So inshallah, with the right spirit, with the right intentions, let's begin, inshallah, with this journey of editing the Quranic recitation video. We are just starting up with the Quranic recitation video, inshallah, so that it will be beneficial for the ummah as well as all of you present here, inshallah. Hope and pray that this work of us and you be a sadqa jariyah even after our death, inshallah ta'ala. So I'll just start with the screen sharing. I want you all to practice along with me, inshallah. Chalo, bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Start with the right intentions, and I want you all to open up your KineMaster app. If you want, you can just type the doubt in after the class, inshallah. Keep your doubts aside, inshallah. Please type it after the class. I want you all to learn and gain maximum through this, inshallah. Maximum through these sessions, inshallah. So please be very concentrating and attentive on this class, inshallah ta'ala. I will be sending the background videos and audios in which you can edit the content, and inshallah you can create your own YouTube channels. You can create your own Instagram accounts. You can just change your personal accounts into the accounts that are beneficial for the ummah. So that you can make them public accounts. And just post the Quranic tilawah contents and more, inshallah ta'ala, the Islamic reminders and more. You will find so many editors, but you won't find the editors that are Islamic. You don't find most of the Islamic editors. The world needs Islamic editors and not just the editors. Fine. So we are creating, alhamdulillah, through this 20 days course, we are creating the editors who are Islamic, inshallah, who will edit the Islamic contents. Isn't this the beneficial knowledge? Isn't this the most beneficial knowledge? Dear sisters and brothers, let it be an interactive session. Just type in the chat box. Are you? Yes, Alhamdulillah, Alhamdulillah. Okay, let's go into this course. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Let's go into this special training. I want you all to open up this KineMaster applications and begin with me, inshallah. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. I had shared a file. Probably you all have got the link of the Quran app that you all have to download. Have you all downloaded it in your version? Kindly type yes or no. Please type yes or no. I had shared a Android application. Not able to open the link? Okay, I'll say it after the class, inshallah. Again, for now. Okay, inshallah. We will see after the class, inshallah, dear sisters and brothers. Okay, so that was the link for a Sahih International Quran app that has the English translation in Sahih International format. Okay, it is English Quran on the Google Play Store. I'll just send it after the class, inshallah. So for now, inshallah, we'll just see through the background videos and background audios. We'll just start with it. Okay, so after the class, if you have any doubts, you can start. And for now, please stop the chat box, inshallah. Inshallah, after the class, please mention any of the doubts that you have. Okay, Bismillah. So here's the KineMaster app. Let's just open it up, and inshallah, I'll just share some of the background videos and the audios that you have to pick and put it into your videos. Okay, so yeah, we're going to create some content, inshallah, for the Quranic Tilawah video today, inshallah. I want you all to concentrate. I want you all to do it along with me. I want you all to do this editing along with me, practice along with me, inshallah. After the class, you're going to just submit the work, whatever you have done in the class, or inshallah, if you need more edits, make more edits and submit it, inshallah. So I'll just share some of the content, inshallah. I want you all to just download it and start put it in the KineMaster timeline. Bismillah. Okay, I have just shared some contents in the course group. Just check it out. Okay, alhamdulillah. So just download it and keep. Okay, just download it and keep somewhere. So let me just start. We are going to start with the create new project. Bismillah. Okay, any project name. So we are going to start with the Surah Duha. Okay, Surah Duha. It is the 93rd surah of the Quran in the para number, the Juz Amma, which is 30th para of the Quran. Surah Duha. You can just write the title of the project that you're going to create. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. And let me just fix it to the Instagram format, because this is somewhat in the portrait manner. It will look good actually. So what I choose is I choose 1:1 format. That is a presentation format for the most of my videos. So you can just go with 1:1, or the YouTube standard 16:9. You can go with, because 1:1 standard will be fit for the Facebook as well as your stories, also YouTube stories, YouTube shorts, as well as Instagram stories, Instagram short, Instagram reels, WhatsApp stories, and all. This is favorable for each and every aspect ratio. So I choose 1:1 for the most of the videos. Fine. So let me just start with the 1:1 format. I do not have to set any advanced settings. That those are already set in the KineMaster by itself. Okay. So let me just start with the creation of the project. Okay. So we have something called the 2 of the videos that I had sent to you. Just import it in your KineMaster. Fine. Because there is a copyright content in the videos, I have taken some content that was created by me. So I wanted to just avoid the copyright issue. So the audio is not subject to the copyright claims. So the first video that is already being edited and put it under the channel of the EDU-SITE, that I have extracted. Fine. I want you all to just import that, so that inshallah we can just edit that video and we can put it in the, or if you want, you can edit any more video, and we will try to give it to the admins of the reminder, and inshallah your content will be put there, inshallah, so that the copyright claim can be avoided in the EDU-SITE channel. Fine. It's fine. The copyright claim things and one more you can just study in the advanced video editing course. That is inshallah we will be offering that as well. Inshallah, we are also going to offer the photo editing course. If you are all willing, if you all are willing, inshallah, we are going to take up that the photo editing course as well, inshallah, in the future. So okay, so we are going to edit this kind of video. We can edit with just single wallpaper, or we can just edit with the different wallpaper behind, the different videos behind, inshallah. So we are just going to extract the audio from this, and then we are going to insert our own videos behind. Fine, we are not going to take this video. We're going to start up with a new video creation, Surah Duha. Okay, so for now, what you are going to do, dear sisters and brothers, I want you all to put this video on your timeline and just extract the audio from there. Only the extraction of audio is enough for this. Okay, extract the audio of this one. Are you all done? Wait a minute, I'll just check if you all are done. Okay, are you all done? Open up the KineMaster, download this in the WhatsApp, and just put it on the timeline of the KineMaster and extract the audio from this. Where is the extract audio option? It is at the end. Extract the audio and delete this video. Fine. Let me just delete the video. The audio is extracted and kept here. Fine. I want you all to do this process now. Okay. Are you all following me? Okay, I just want to see your chat box. Let me just... a moment, please.
Recording in progress.
Just a moment. Okay, I want you all to put it in the chat box, please. Okay, fine. Alhamdulillah. So have you all taken this, extracted this audio? Fine. Oh, okay. Let's start with editing. And there is a second video that is given to you all. Have you all downloaded that video? I want you to edit with that video. Fine. Second video. The second video, please type yes or no. Have you all downloaded the second video that I had sent? It was probably of 1 minute 16 seconds. Yes or no? Please type. Download the second video, put it on the timeline now. Done. Alhamdulillah. This is a training session. I want you all to do it along with me. Fine. I'll be waiting for you to do it along with me, inshallah. So can you just, dear sisters and brothers, can you just see here? This audio is of how much minutes? I'll just say this audio is of 1 minute 34 seconds. Fine. And this video that is behind here is of 1 minute 14 seconds. So how to just increase the video duration? You just cannot increase like this. How to do it? You have to decrease the speed of this so that it will increase till here, right? Increase the duration. To increase the duration, what you have to do is you have to select the video, okay, and go to the speed option and just give it a slow motion. Fine. Just go to the 0.7 is fine. Okay, just go till the 0.7. 0.7 is fine. Are you all done? Please type yes. If not, no problem. You can just do it after the class by watching the recordings. Okay. Okay. This is how I have done it. Okay. Now let me just remove the voice of this background video. Okay. Let me just remove the voice of this background video. Okay. Let me just remove the voice of this background video. How to remove the voice? Please type. I want to see your chat box. I want you all to tell me what tool you will use to remove the voice. Yes, you're going to mute it. How to mute it? You're going to the mixer option and just going to apply the mute button. Yes, sisters and brothers, excellent. You're going to mute the video that is behind it. Okay, and then now we are going to start with the editing. First thing what we have to edit is we have chosen the 1:1 interface, 1:1. So I want you all to remove this something that is behind blacky thing. How to remove this? There is something option. Yes, excellent. Someone has answered. Mashallah, Uzma has answered well. It is pan and zoom option, dear sister. It is pan and zoom option. Just click on the pan and zoom option and just pinch to the screen and zoom it up till this black screen is avoided. Fine. Okay, and then you just can click on this one option. See here, you can click because this and this will be same till the end, or you can just go to the end position and just align it again. To avoid that, you just have to click on this two vertical lines, 2 horizontal lines. Click on that. Okay, it will be same throughout. To make it same throughout, you just have to click on that and just click back option. It will be same for the throughout. Okay, and you won't have the black screen behind. Okay, this is the background video that I had chosen. Okay, I want you to choose any background videos that you want based on the words that you have. Okay, you can choose any background videos. I have given you assets, dear sisters and brothers here. Please, hope you all know that yesterday I had given a drive link. Yesterday or day before yesterday, I had sent a drive link. I want you all to choose any of the video that you find it interesting, find it good, so that you can just add it to your project. Fine. For now, I have chosen this just to avoid the just to avoid it. For each one I have to provide one videos, so to avoid it I just have chosen one video, one entire video. Fine, dear sisters and brothers. Okay, you can choose any of the video as a background video. Fine, and you can make edits to this video. Why? From between each video, just make some cropping and just add some transitions between each videos. You can just add effects. Are you all following me? Please do some edits for this videos. Come on, let me do some edits and add effects to this videos. Okay, till here it was one video. Fine, let me just stop it till here. Let me just split it out. Okay, follow me up. Please do the same thing like I'm doing, so that it will be, even if you have not attended the previous sessions, it will be easy for you now. So you can just split the screen here, because there are two different videos in between this and this. Go to the duration 7 second or 8 seconds, split it there, and just click on this option and just give some transitions so that this video looks so effective to us. See, give some transitions there. Okay, give some transitions. Try it out, dear sisters and brothers, please. Yes, try it out between each of the videos there. Give some transitions. Where is it? Okay, you can give some transitions between each of these videos. Here, just stop it here. So just break it up, split it up, and give some transitions. Yes, are you all following me? Please type yes. Give some transitions, fun transitions. There are so many beautiful transitions available on the KineMaster Asset Store. I want you all to download each of it and give it on the and create some best projects, inshallah. Okay, split it here again. Are you all following me? Type yes. Yes, alhamdulillah. Please split it up and do this and add the transitions wherever you want. Okay, it is time consuming, so just to avoid the just to shorten this up, I want you all to do these transitions after the class, inshallah. So now, for now, how we are going to add the tilawah. Tilawah is added up. It is already here, right? The Quranic recitation audio is already here. You have to have an audio. Fine, the audio is available. The videos is available now. Fine. Now you're going to just edit this Quranic tilawah. First, what you're going to add, you want to add a logo for your channel, right? You can just add a logo somewhere here or somewhere there. Okay, let me just add any logo if I have. So let me just add. You can add your own logos to the channel. Okay, for the YouTube videos as such. Okay, so for now, let me just add a logo that's already available somewhere. Okay, it's not here. WhatsApp images, probably it's here. Okay, let me just add this logo. This won't fit the screen, but inshallah this is fine for now. Okay, you can add this logo, or you can add this as a watermark, or 2-in-1 you can use. Okay, you can use the logo format, or you can use the watermark format. You must increase the duration of each of it till the end of it. Okay, so first you have to edit the things that are required till the end. Okay, the other things that like the font thing and all are not required till the end. They are for the few durations and all, right? So first thing that are required till the end, you're going to start with it. Okay, the EDU-SITE logo is required till the end, so you have to keep it at first. You have to edit that at first. Okay, choose the shape, choose some feathering options. Okay, and this way you can add it up. So this is fine, and you can just decrease this watermark. How to make it as a watermark? You can decrease the opacity of this. Okay, let me just decrease it's this one and put it here and decrease the opacity of it. Okay, let me just decrease the opacity of it. Let it be here. Fine, dear sisters and brothers. Okay, after that, let me just start with the Quranic ayahs. Okay, what more? If we can add one thing, as I have sent something called Surat al-Duha. You can one thing that should be seen throughout. You can just add Surat al-Duha there. So there is something called. So this is not it. This is not it. Okay, this one. Surat al-Duha. That should be appearing till the end, right? So increase the duration from first to last. Okay, increase it to the last. Okay, the duration is till the end of the video. Fine. Now, where to place this? How to remove the screen behind it? What should we do, dear sisters and brothers? Please tell. This will keep next. Okay, what should we do? Please tell. To remove the background of this. Yes, we have already known. Yes, the chroma key option. Excellent, dear sisters and brothers. Are you all following me? Yes, go to the chroma key options. I want you all to give it a try. Enable this chroma key option. Open up this one and see it as a white. Yes, yes, white. Give the key color as white. Toggle this up so that you can just get the black content. Okay, how will you toggle this up? Is it fine? Is it going fine with you all? If not, we'll see the other options. No. Why is the key color not taking? Can you all please tell me? Why is the key color not taking? Because I told you all, it is accurate with the green screen content and not some other thing. So to do this, we can just go to some other options. Let me just disable this chroma key. Let me just go to the blending options. The blending options works wonder. We already know that. We can just add up the negation thing, the phoenix thing, the exclusion thing, and more. The difference, the hard mix, just try it out with all of this. And surely you'll be able to remove that. Even if it is not able, you can just add the cropping content and add the high feathers. Is it all working for you all? Please type yes or no. Overlay is fine for us. We can just add overlay, or you can color dodge, or you can just add it up. Check each and everything. How you're going to just remove the background of this. If it is not possible, then you can just download the blending option. Is not working for you. Okay, there's a linear burn option. Can you just try the linear burn? We have just removed the background by the linear burn. Alhamdulillah. Just go to the back. Have you all tried it out? Linear burn, remove the background. Okay, now let's make it as a white thing, because all of the background is black, right? There is a dark background. I have chosen the dark background by a purpose, because I wanted to make all of the text as white. Okay, to make this text white, what you have to do? You can just go to something. What is that called? Previously, I just told there's something called adjustments, right? In the adjustment, increase the brightness of this. Or you can just see how we can do it. You can just check how we can just increase the background, or you can just invert this up. Let's just see if it is inverted by the grayscale or something like that. Try it out. You have to give it a try every time. It won't be available as such. You have to try it out. Is the brightness working for you all? Give it a try. I want you all to give it a try. If it's not working, we can just add something in the background, a white screen or something, and make it black content. Or we can just leave it as such. Or we can do it in some way that is easy for us. Fine? Okay, try this out, dear sisters and brothers. Try the effects, try the green thing, the gray screen, gray scaling, and more in this. Try each and every aspect and make it look beautiful, inshallah, in your videos. So the Surat al-Duha is in black color and the background is avoided. Let's just keep it as it is, and we'll see it later. For now, we have just the Surat al-Duha here. We'll keep it throughout the screen, and we want it throughout the screen, right? So we'll place it somewhere here. Okay. Now this is not able to be converted into white. If it is not being able, are you all able to convert that into white? Or you can just download it with white fonts, 2-in-1, or you can just type it up. Okay, there's no options, nothing difficult to do each and everything here. Okay, everything is easy here. You can just type it, go to the text and type Surat al-Duha. Okay, for now I have just downloaded the black content. So to make it white, you can just try with the each and every aspects that you have here. Alpha opacity, you can try the blending options, you can try each and every options that you have here and make it white. If it is not getting white, then that is no problem. What we'll do is we'll create a masking behind and we'll make it appear highlighted. How to create a masking to this black screen? So we can just add the black titles only now. How to create a masking, my dear sisters and brothers? Go to the layer, Add a white mask. I want you all to add a white mask. Go to the image assets, take a white mask, okay, take a white thing, add it up throughout the background. Go to the left to top of the screen. Just send it backwards. Fine, send it to the back. Fine, it is sent to the back. I increase the duration till the end of the video. Okay, increase the duration till end of the video. And just decrease the opacity of this, alpha opacity of this. Opacity of this. So all of this will be visible. Now we have converted the black background video to the white background. And now this will be very good to see the Surat al-Duha thing, that whatever you're going to write. Okay, it just depends upon your creativity that you're going to create. Now, if you have something options available in black, keep it black and just change the background to something bright. Fine, and that way you can just keep it right. Now, the first starting, we are starting with the A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajeem. Have you all inserted the audio that I had sent? Probably yes. Yes. Please type yes. The audio is inserted. The video is inserted. The Surat al-Duha font is inserted. Yes or no? Alhamdulillah. Surat al-Duha font is inserted. Blending options have you all used? Blending option. Have you all just put something called linear burn on something in the blending option and tried it out to remove the background screen of the Surat al-Duha that was sent? Okay. I've also sent the font for A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajeem. Just put it here and yes, just put it here and remove the background of this as well. How to remove the background again? You can just try out with the chroma key. If that is not working only, then you can go with the blending options, my dear sisters and brothers. Fine. Chroma key works actually for most of the things, but here it was black and white. Okay, because black and white are invert of each other, the chroma key wasn't finding it accurate here. Fine. So for now, let me just try with this blue color. Is it working with it? Well, which color should be removed? White color should be removed, right? Just type for the white color. Okay. You have to, the key color assigning is very important. Find your sisters and brothers to remove this. Toggle it up, try it out. Okay. Try it out, please. Continue with whatever we are now. Sister Bashira, please continue with wherever we are now, okay? The rest of the thing, let's see after the class, okay? The recording, check through the recording. Okay, toggle it up and make it such that appear such that you just see the regime. And so now this is fine, probably. Yes, it is fine. So just what you have to do is you just have to change some blending options and then it will look good, inshallah. See here, it looks good now, right? You can multiply or you can darken it up. You can just see some options that will be helpful to make it look good. So the subtract is good now, right? So let me just put this here. Okay, and then so the translation of this, what is the translation of this, my dear brothers and sisters? So I have sent you a Quran app, that was the link to the Quran app. Hope you all have downloaded that. If not, I have shared it again. Probably you all have downloaded it. Can kindly check if you all have that app again. Click on the link and see if it is able to download it through the link. Yes or no? If not, no problem. Go to the Google Chrome and see. Okay, no problem. You can just go browse on the Google and see and check whether what is the translation of A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajeem. Okay, or else we have it in the video that I had sent. Okay, no problem. So, chalo bismillah, we are just going to create a text layer now, right? To write something, the translation of this, create a text layer. Bismillah. I want you all to write, create a text layer now. Layer, create a text layer. Fine. What is the translation for A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajeem? Yes. I seek refuge in Allah from the Satan, the accursed, right? Okay, let me just open it up. I seek refuge with Allah from the accursed Satan. I seek refuge in Allah. In Allah, with Allah. I seek refuge with Allah from the accursed Satan. I want you all to write this you are going to create a masterpiece. Do you all remember we are doing a project that is a that will be a sadqa jariya for us, inshallah. I want you all to edit it. I want you all to give these videos, inshallah. We will be putting up in the major channels, inshallah. So please follow along with me. These are not going to get wasted. These efforts are not going to get wasted, dear sisters. Especially the creation of this project, the Quran Tilawa projects are never going to get waste. Okay, I want you all to give it a try. Try putting your creativity here. Assign any font style. So this is a training session. You're all going to follow with me. Okay, please try to give all of your creativity into the video, inshallah. So come on, just edit this content, edit this, dear sisters and brothers. Okay, give an animation to this, assign some fonts to this. Yes, please assign beautiful fonts to this. Try it out. Assign beautiful fonts to this. Let me just assign something like caramel regular. This will appear as a handwriting. It won't look good. So handwritings won't be fine for the text that are going to be read by the viewers. So the texts that are going to be read by the viewers, so that the viewers are reading those texts, you want to have that have the text highlighted. Fine. It should appear so good so that the reader should be impressed with that text, inshallah. So just check the fonts that are good and just add it on your screen. For now, let me just add the redressed option. Just check whether this option is fine. Yes, you can just add this. I seek refuge with Allah from the accursed Satan. Okay, here it is. Now, how to decrease the line spacing? Go to the text options, decrease the line spacing. Let this appear that there are one text, and let me just change the color to the black. Why is black? Because for us the dark text is the format for now. Okay, the dark text, we are going to have a dark text. So the color, just change the color to whichever you want. Recently used color, you can go pick the recently used color, or just like can start with the black color. Or we can just assign the same color that is that the Auzubillahi Minash Shaitanir Rajim is in. So it is somewhat in purplish color, right? We just see, no, it is not this color. So we can just give it this a try. No, this is also not fine for that. Okay. Okay, this would be fine, but we will assign some shadow and outline so that this will look perfect for that. Okay. Distance is not required. The angle is fine. The spread is fine. Spread is not required. So okay, I want you all to do this settings for one text, and all the text will have the same settings. Fine. So this will be very beneficial for you, because just apply to all will be used, and all of the settings will be having the same settings. Okay, this is an easy option that you have. For one font, you're going to apply that setting, all of the settings, in animation, out animation, and more. For all of the fonts, you'll have the same settings, dear sisters and brothers. Fine. Just apply the pop option, or whatever in animation you want to give. Please give it. Okay. Okay, the Auzubillah, the Arabic font should also have the same settings. Fine. So let it be a scale up option or the converge option. We'll see how we can do it. Okay, letter by letter is also fine. Wipe right is fine. Okay, let me just add wipe right option to this, and for Auzubillah, let me just add in animation as wipe left option. Okay. Okay, you can just decrease this. Now play it and see how beautifully it looks. This is how it looks, right? Yes. Okay, it's starting up with, so there is nothing here, right? In the first few seconds, there is nothing here. So what let me do is, let me decrease the duration of this. Or just let me just trim it left. Okay, let me just trim this left so that this won't appear in the seconds that is not there. Okay, from here it is starting. So from the 2 seconds it's starting. So let me just trim left here and trim left for this one. Okay, are you all playing it and following me? Yes, dear sisters and brothers. Do it along with me, please. Okay, it is till the 8th second. What you're going to do, how we are going to stop this up. I want you all to assign auto animation to this already, so that by whenever you're going to trim right, you're going to make it easy for you. It is going to make get easy. Okay, so just trim before trimming right, I want you all to assign the auto animation. Auto animation, how it appear when it's given out animation. Let it be a wipe effect or anything like that. Whichever you want to assign, you can assign. Okay, for me, let it be fade option, fine. Okay, so for IC Fusion Aula, the out animation be fade option, fine. Now the project will get easier because the one text, the effects are already applied. For the next text, you just have to apply. Okay, one trick that I'm going to teach you all now. Okay, I'll just assign all of the options to this project. Enable the glow. Let me just make it dark blue. This won't work. Let me just make it black. This is not fine as well. Let me just make it white. Okay, this looks good. The white spread is fine. The size of the whitening is fine. Okay, this is fine now. You can increase the size of this text. Okay, keep this text here, dear sisters and brothers. Okay, what you're going to do is you're going to just duration of this text till the end of the text, fine, end of the file, end of the video edit video, fine. I want you all to fix this to the end of this, and you're just going to trim it up wherever you want to stop. Trim there, trim, just split there. Okay, you just don't have to trim it, you have to split it there, fine. So from here we're going to start. Just see how this is appearing here. Also is appearing, and it stops still here, fine. The 7th second it's going to stop. Just stop it here, just pause it here, split it here. Okay, for this Auzubillah we do not need for the rest of it, so just trim right, trim right. Okay, just apply trim right. We do not need the Arabic font. Okay, Arabic font we have to copy it from somewhere. I'll tell you how we are going to copy it. Okay, 5 more minutes of the class, I'm going to say you how you're going to copy it, and inshallah the rest of the project you're going to try now, and inshallah we'll be trying it out in the tomorrow's class as well. Okay, this project inshallah I'm going to take each and every one's video, and inshallah I'm going to put it on the YouTube channels. Okay, I want you all to make this as a best creative project that you're going to create, inshallah. And this one will be inshallah watched by the major audience, inshallah. Inshallah, we'll try to request the reminder after reminder admins so that they can post your videos that you have created in their WhatsApp groups, inshallah. So this is how you're going to the animation was already given as wipe right or wipe left, and just we'll see the out animation how it is we have already assigned as fade. Okay, so now the word option that we have, let me just split it up. Then this is a split option. Okay, why did I use split option? Because instead of creating each and every text for each and every ayah, what we can do is we can just give splits wherever we want, fine. So what you have to do is you have to assign one, make all the edits for the one font, and you just have to keep it as such, increase the duration and split it wherever you want. So for the 9th second you have split it up. Now play it and see where you want to split. Okay, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim appears till 14th second, 15th second. Split it here now. Go and split it here. You just have to change the text now. That's all. You do not have to add any options now. You just have to change the text. The same text will remain. Fine. We'll see how. It's stopping here. Stop it here. Make it split the text. Fine. Hope you all are following me. Hope you all are following me. Yes. Okay, now let me just edit 3 ayahs for today, inshallah. The rest of the ayahs, the 11 ayahs are in this surah. I want to edit it tomorrow, inshallah. I want you all to edit it tomorrow. For time being, I want you all to edit the 3 ayahs for today's class, inshallah. Okay, to get the word for the Arabic text for this, I have already told you a website. It is called as everyayah.com. Now, I want you all to visit that website along with me. How are you going to visit that website? Just go to your Chrome browser or somewhere. Just go and visit that website named everyayah.com. So, Bismillah, let me just write. Please follow me up. Please type it on your screen, the everyayah.com. Is it typed? Yes, type it up and just change the chapter name. Change the chapter name to Surat al-Duha. Are you all following me? Please type yes or no. Type it as Duha or just search for the Surah Al-Duha. Is almost 93rd Surah of the Quran. Just select there, okay? There is something called what Duha. Here it appears, right? There is a PNG. This is a PNG format. Just you can download it, you can click tightly on it, press tightly on it, and you can just write download image. Okay, you can do the download image from here, or you can just it's the only option that you can download. Just click on it tightly, press tightly, and just click on download image. Fine, it's downloaded. This is how you download it. It's quite easy. This is ayah number 1, how you have to download it. Each ayah will be downloaded in this format. Okay, ayah number 1, then next type ayah 2, type ayah 3, type ayah 4, 5, 6 till 11, and download each of it. Okay, each of the asset. Fine, this is how you do it. Or else there is one more technique, that is if you want best fonts, not this font. If you do not want this font and you want some different font, this is some probably the Usmani font that we have. It's not Usmani font, it's probably the Madani font that we have here, because the tashdeed the harakas are below the tajdeed or the above the tajdeed, and this difficult to differentiate probably. I do not know. Just see here, it is a wadduha. You can change this font if you want. If you do not want this type of font and you want different fonts, you can just select your own Quranic application. Fine. So the Quranic application that I have is most probably the Islam 360 and the Quran English that I had sent it to you. These two applications are very beneficial. This Quran English application is very beneficial. So let me just show you how this works. Okay, so this is how this Quran application looks. Okay, this has so many topics. There is some topic named there is a topic named search. Fine, there's something tool called search. Okay, if you click on the search and search for anything, it will appear. For example, you want to make videos on Ramadan. Okay, you just have to type Ramadan there and search. It will appear how many ayahs that has Ramadan. It will appear there. For example, I want the ayahs from the fasting. Fine, the spelling wasn't right there. So I want the ayahs in the fasting. You will have all the ayahs that are related to the fasting, and inshallah, you just can extract and you just can create a single project for each ayah. For example, you have decreed upon his fasting as it was decreed upon this one. This ayah you can just take and you can create one video editor and you can just put it on your status. It is so easy and is as easy as that, just as simple as that. Copy this ayah, copy the words. Just go to the everyayah.com and take the words or whatever they have told you which ayah is it. They have told you in Surah Al-Baqarah, it is ayah number 183. Go to this, go to the chapter name, the Surah Al-Baqarah. Just go to the Baqarah, Surah Al-Baqarah, ayah number. What was the ayah number? It was some probably 185. What was the ayah number? I just forgot it. Okay, it was some ayah 183. Yes, it was ayah 183. So you just can go to the 183rd ayah and you just can have the you just have the words that was typed there, right? You just can have this words and you just have to take this Arabic verse and take the translation from there, and you just can put it in your videos and edit just simple video, one ayah video from this. Where is the audio you have? You have the audio here, single audio you have the audio here the audio is available. Where is the audio available? Here is the audio available. Just download it up. How to download single ayah audio? Here it is. Just click on this and press on the download button. Okay, it will be downloaded. Whichever reciter you want, you can change it here. Just see here, there is some reciters named Abdul Basit. This was the most renowned reciter, right? So you can just change the reciter names. I like the reciters that I like is As-Sudais, the Abdurrahman Sudais, the Nufasi, and then the Al-Afasi, and then the most Hania Rifai is best, and then Husari is also best. You can just make a note about all of this and you can create your own things, inshallah. This Quranic projects that you are assigned or you will take up, inshallah, these are best for you all. This will be a source of sadqa jariyah for you all, inshallah. Put out your creativity here, inshallah. These are all easy things, easy peasy things. You just have to copy and paste from each and every side and just put it in your own videos, inshallah. This is how you just take the content and put it up in your videos, inshallah. There are so many reciters. You see here, Farad Hashmi, the Urdu translation videos, the Ibrahim Ad-Dusari. You will have Sahih International. Even the translations you can put with the videos. You have translations from here. Just check it out. Each of the translations are being told here. In the Urdu translations are available here. The audios of these translations are available here. Fine. Audios. These are very helpful. Article there are so many. There is a trend kind of videos like they'll play the ayah. After that they'll put the translations of it in Urdu or English. That is also available here. You can just download for each ayah and just put it out. Just click for the reciter and just put whichever ayah you want. Fine. Just download whichever ayah you want. This is how you do extract the ayahs from each of it. Okay, so what for now we are just going to download ayah number 1, 2, 3 of this Surat Duha, please, so that we can just see our project and complete today's class, inshallah. Please download the ayah 1, 2, 3 from this everyayah.com. Okay, so we'll just keep it till here, keep it till the end of it, and we will just go to the layers. This is actually taking time because I'm telling you and doing it. Okay, it is just 5 minutes work for me. Within 5 minutes I can finish this off. This is quite easiest thing that inshallah you will find after you become some professional editors. Okay, so what do have, place it somewhere in the middle. If you want to add effects to this, you can add effects to it, or you can just put it as such. If you do not like this font, what you can do is go to this Quran app that I've already told you. Just take the screenshot of this and screenshot that and just put it, just select it from the media. So what I do is I do it as a screenshot. I take the screenshot of each ayah. Just here in the screenshots I have all of the ayahs. I take the screenshots of the ayah and I just put it on my app, on my editor, and I'll just put these ayahs up. Okay, so for now what you are going to do, go till here, go to the layer, go to the media, and place Surat Duha, the ayah, the screenshot that I had taken. So this is actually a good font. It has a good font, so we'll take this. How to assign this? From here till here, because what Duha appears from here till here. So just increase it. And how to remove the background, just same as the previously. How did we do it? You're going to the adjustments or blending option, or you can just go to the green screen. Try it with the green screen. Inshallah it will work for few of it, and if it won't work for few of it, you just try it out. It's based on the accuracy of the KineMaster, that's all. Okay, which was the thing that we had given, probably the darken. Yes, it was darken. So this has removed the background. Now you can just add any of the options as such. What Duha, any of the options, blending options is done. Adjustment options. Okay, you can just brighten or darken it. Let me just darken it. See how beautiful it looks now. Yes, so this is how we do it. So place it here, give it an animation, give it an out animation. This is not a difficult task. It is quite easy. Just with the practice, you will gain the perfection. Because I'm telling telling you to practice along with me, just taking time. But it is quite easy. I can just finish off this within 5 to 10 minutes. Fine. So this is how you do it. Okay. I want you all to be pro in this, inshallah, by practicing well, inshallah. So this is how we do it. What do have? Go till here and see. Okay, you can just change the translation. So I think one ayah is enough for today. Inshallah, in tomorrow's class, we'll see more of it, and we will finish this project of 11 ayahs in the next 2 classes, inshallah. And then few more training sessions will be carried out. I want you all to just concentrate and do it in this class. For now, I want you all to just export the project that you have created now and send it to me, so that I'll see if you all had followed me up, or if you had any doubts. I want you all to just just ask me doubts. Okay, you can just type in the chat box if you have any doubts. Now I'll take the doubts and just end the session in the KineMaster itself, inshallah. So it is 93rd ayah. Yes, dear sisters, any doubts, please type in the chat box. Any doubts? Here is the translation of this verse in the Quran. This one, it is a Sahih translation, most accepted translation. So I'm going to just copy the verse from here and paste it here. Okay, it's quite easy. I don't want you all to just fear that it is difficult or something like that. It is quite easy thing. It's an easy peasy thing. Instead of watching a 1 hour drama, you can create 5 videos. Take it from me, you can create 5 videos in just 1 hour. Okay, 1 hour. Instead of spending 1 hour time on the reels or as such, you can create your own content in 5 to 10 videos and create 5 to 10 videos in 1 hour. Fine, inshallah ta'ala. So this is how you actually do it. By the morning brightness, this is, yes, copy and paste is possible. Yes, yes, sisters, copy and paste is possible in the KineMaster. It's quite easy to copy and paste. Any doubts? Yes, now play this and see how beautiful it looks. This is your created project. You can add effects to the video that is behind. Because the video was dark, I just added something in the front, right? That was a masking thing that had added front. You can just decrease this opacity so that the behind video is visible. Okay. For now, I'm teaching you with a simple video. I want you all to add the different videos in the background and check based on the translation of the ayahs. If there is a ayahs related to the fire, I want you to add the fire related verses. How to match audio to the verse? It is audio to the words. You have to stop there and match it, dear sisters. You just have to stop there and match it. Okay, go to there, stop it, and just stop both of it. Stop the time, stop your timestamp wherever the ayah stops, and it will be matched. It will be matched as such. Just go there and trim and split there. Okay, try this options out. Okay, I've already told you. I already told you that you have a long, lengthy, make a lengthy text layer, and then just split it, make splits. Okay, yes, split it. What you have to do, okay, this is a trick that I've taught you. What you have to do is one layer you have to add text layer. One layer is enough. Increase the duration till the end of the video. Now listen to this once. Crop. Before cropping, I want you all to add font options to this. All of the font options, make font options to it, okay? And then just split with the ayah and keep it. That's all. You're going to copy and paste after that. This will be just done in 5 minutes, okay? This is how you do it. For now, hope you all have done one ayah and one A'udhu Billahi Minash Shaitanir Rajim in the video, fine? Probably the Bismillah was not added. Inshallah, we'll see if what went wrong. This was a Bismillah that I had to add, right? In the second thing. This was here. This should be placed after the Bismillah. So we can just rearrange, right? Wadduha will add it here. Bismillah should be added here. So here, let it be added. And let me just increase the duration and just rename it as this one. I want you all to do this 3 ayahs and send it to me as in homework, inshallah. The A'udhu Billahi Minash Shaitanir Rajim, the Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim, and the Wadduha, fine? The Wadduha. The Bismillah is already extracted, and in yesterday's class we have already seen it. Any doubts, please type now, inshallah. We are going to end the session with this, inshallah. Yes, please type. I'll take your doubts and continue with the edits. Yes, any doubts, your sisters and brothers, please? You can put this Bismillah or anywhere, from anywhere. You can just extract. You can just put these options anywhere, inshallah. All of these are very easy to do, inshallah. These are easiest tools that you can do. You can just spare 5 to 10 minutes of your day and create such eye-catching projects that whatever you want to create, inshallah. Any doubts, please type in the chat box. Whatever we have studied in today's class, please type in the chat box. I want you all to type a lesson recap, inshallah. Anything you found interesting today? Anything you found difficult today? Yes, dear sisters and brothers. No difficulty, mashallah, alhamdulillah, barakallah fiki. May Allah make it easy for all of you. So for the Bismillah Rahman Rahim, add in animation and out animation, the fade thing, or the out animation, the fade thing. Yes. We have learned to add voice. Excellent. We have learned to add text. It was all discussed in the previous classes, previous 10 days. Today, we are just making use of the tools that we have learned. That's all. For this, we can just increase the brightness and decrease the brightness and make it black. Okay. Let me just make it black. Okay. So the text I wanted black after this because the first was blue and I want all of the text after this as a black text. So let me just add it black. Okay. We have learned how to copy and paste the verses. Excellent, dear sisters, mashallah. We also have learned how to extract it from the everyayah.com. We can extract each verse from the everyayah.com. Okay, dear sisters, if you just want one verse, just extract instead of creating this entire surah. This was a big project. Okay, this is a big project of creating the entire project. What we do is for the status projects or something like that, WhatsApp status projects and or something, we just do a single ayah projects. We do a single ayah projects. Okay, single ayah projects are very easy. You just have to extract one ayah, one this one this one. Topic based, it's topic based. For example, if the Ramadans have come, we use the Ramadan projects, we use single ayah project, right? Okay, so this one was the full surah project, this entire surah project, because it is, yes, I have been telling you this one because I want you all to just learn how to create a beautiful Quran projects, inshallah. So, alhamdulillah, this was a class for today. This is how you're going to add Bismillah, Auzu billahi minash shaitanir rajeem, and the three ayahs. Alhamdulillah, we have learned how to add the three ayahs. Okay, it's nothing but you have learned to create 3 videos. Okay, this is 3 videos for us actually. For the WhatsApp status projects, this is 3 videos. Bismillah is a single video what we used to create, or the one ayah that we used to insert and create is a one ayah project. Okay, we used to have one ayah project. Can you go back and tell how you change it in the white background? Okay, I'll tell you how. What we did was we just clicked, I'll just delete this up. Okay, what did we do? We just went to the layer. Okay, we wanted this to be increase the opacity of this. I mean, I wanted to brighten this video that was behind. You can just use brighten the video option by the adjustment, or you can also see, you can just brighten the video, but I do not want, I want it throughout the video. So what I do is I just mask it up. I just go to the layer, go to the media option, and then there are the image assets that are already available by the KineMaster. There is a white thing, okay, white background. Click on it. Okay, after clicking on it, increase the duration till the end of the project. Okay, increase the duration till the end of the project. Fine. Hope you all are following me. Then what you do is you're going to zoom it up throughout the screen. Okay, these training sessions will be a bit, will take more time than the regular classes. Fine, dear sisters and brothers, I want you to take most of these classes so that it will be beneficial for you in the future. Just decrease opacity and put it to the, and go to the this one and send it to the back. Okay, send it to the back. So just send to the back, and this is how you actually add a mask to this. And if you want, you can add the, you can just increase the opacity. You can do whatever wonders with this, inshallah. Okay, it's basically your creativity that is put into picture here. Okay, so alhamdulillah, this was a class for today. I want you all to do 3 of the verses. Okay, 3 of the verses of this today, inshallah. In tomorrow's class, we'll continue with all of the next verses, inshallah. Okay, it was actually basically the single ayah project that I wanted to take, but I want you all to do a big project so that I can share it in somewhere in the major YouTube channels, inshallah. So today it was 3 ayahs, inshallah. For the next, inshallah, tomorrow's class we'll continue with the rest of the ayahs. I want you all to be done with 3 ayahs, and I want you all to submit this project. No matter wherever you are, I want to submit this project. Fine, wherever you are stuck, I want to submit this project. I want to see how, what is your progress for today's class, inshallah. So chalo, with this, inshallah, we'll just end our session. Jazakumullahu khairan. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Subhanakallahumma wa bihamdika nashhadu an la ilaha illa anta astaghfiruka wa atubu ilaik. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.